Now let's talk about how Marian Rivera didn't just monopolize the Philippine landscape, she also dominated the world. Marian Rivera didn't need to cross over. The world crossed over for her. At yan ang pinakasosyal na international fame, no? Walang English rebrand. Wala siyang I'm trying my luck abroad. Alam mo yun, like bigla na lang may balita na Vietnam loves Marian Rivera. Southeast Asia is watching her shows. May mga international fan clubs existing for Marian. Diba? Ano yun? Ugang-uga yung mga Pilipino. Nagtataka sila, bakit? And simple lang naman yung sagot eh. Teleserye is a global language.
Baby dollar.
Hindi mo kailangan maintindi ang dialogue para maintindihan ang inaapi, minahal, trinaydor, at bumabangon. And let's admit it, Marian Rivera is the perfect vessel na kahit man hindi mo maintindihan ng subtitles, sa mukha pa lang niya, gets na gets mo na. Like and follow for more!